Let me show you what you are going to learn in this course. I trained hundreds of adults, bank employees, and I'm sure the fastest way to learn Java is to learn a concept and do an exercise right away. This course is for everyone, beginners or senior developers. We will cover all the basics of Java fast. First, we will talk about what is Java, what is a compiler, the interpreter, the bytecode, the JVM, machine code, the classes. We will use IntelliJ, which is a famous and an amazing IDE. Primitive data types. We will start doing exercises with input and outputs. We will learn to build an algorithm. We'll do operators. I will teach you the basics of IntelliJ, how to do a project, to do a class, packages, naming conventions of Java, the operator precedence also, the scope of variables, all the loops such as for statement, do while and while statements, the nested loops, if then and if then else statements, the debugger in IntelliJ, which is an amazing tool we will use in pretty much all the exercises. Casting. By the way, with the casting, we will see explicit casting and implicit casting. We will start doing virtual dice roller exercises. Methods. In Java, we say methods. In other languages, people say functions. Objects, of course, we are going to talk about the constructor, the getters and setters, what is an object, why we do instances of object, how to do an instance, and so on. Arrays. We will start doing bubble sort algorithms, so with 3 or 4 exercises. We will do the access levels, inheritance, the interfaces, collections, polymorphism, array list, the for each loop on array list and on treemap also. We will do a deep dive into IntelliJ debugger tool. Exceptions. All my exercises are progressive with solutions. The more you are going to do exercises, the more you are going to combine all the concepts you learned. All the source code of my exercises are explained with videos, step by step, line after line. At the end of this course, we will do a speed coding game, and for the very last project, we will sort data, create, write, and read files in your operating system. So if you are a complete beginner, at the end of this course, you will be ready to start learning how to connect to a database, Maven, Spring Boot. I will catch you in the next lecture.